Total shutdown called by various outlawed groups against Manipur's merger with Indian territory has affected normal life in the state. A total shutdown was called by various banned outfits to mark the day as Black Day to commemorate the controversial merger agreement signed by the King of Manipur on October 15, 1949. Markets including the three Ima markets, Paungna and Thangal, which plays a vital role to the state's economy, were closed. Educational institutions were also halted operations while banks remained shut to the public despite staff presence. Petrol stations were closed and there was a noticeable decline in vehicle traffic with many passenger vehicles off the roads. Commuter activity at Kanchipur, Singchamai, Khurai Lamlong and Kwakaithal markets are sharply reduced. However, no untoward incidents were reported. In response, police have implemented heightened security measures throughout various valleys districts.